Alright y'all, we've got a 2006 International 9900i day cab. Nice looking truck right here y'all. ISX Cummins turbo diesel power, Eaton Fuller 10-speed, dual aluminum fuel tanks, been polished up, single line wet kit, 12,000 pound front axle, 40,000 pound rears, air ride suspension. Right over 1,000,000 miles on this truck. Sliding fifth wheel. Headache rack. Dual exhaust. Levmar 24/5 rubber on this truck, y'all. Right kind right here. Got the aluminum visor, dual aluminum breathers. Cruise control, engine brake, power windows, power and heated mirrors, power locks, air ride seat. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is where this truck is located. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website. Y'all feel free to check us out on either one. And as always, we thank y'all for watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.